there goes a little blue pickup truck. I bet it's going on an adventure.
That yellow flatbed is carrying heavy machinery, specifically a skid steer loader. It's built for serious construction work.
Oh no! Did that loader just tumble off the back? That's definitely not supposed to happen.
The flatbed driver doesn't even notice. The loader is left all alone in the middle of the road. It's time for help to arrive. A diligent forklift emerges from the garage, retrieving a powerful red tow truck to save the day.
The red tow truck is on the move. It looks so strong, nothing can stop it now.
Wait, disaster strikes! The tow truck has lost a wheel, grinding its rescue mission to a sudden dramatic halt. The forklift is coming to the rescue again. It's truly the hero of this construction site, always ready to lend a hand. See how it carefully lifts the truck? Teamwork makes the dream work, even for heavy machinery.
With the power tool tightening that bolt, the truck is as good as new. Great job, little forklift.
And just like that, the job is finished. Look at that bright red tractor, resting peacefully by the barn. It is the heart of our busy farm today.
Wait, is that a giant yellow bathtub on wheels rolling down the path? It looks like it needs a scrub.
Oh, silly. That is not a bathtub. It is a road paver, slowly and steadily smoothing out the way for everyone else. It keeps moving with such purpose. The farm is a hive of activity, and the paver ensures the roads stay perfect.
I bet it's building a secret highway to a castle made of cheese. That would be a very tasty construction project.
I admire your imagination, but it is actually preparing the ground so our tractors can transport supplies safely. Speaking of transport, here comes the red tractor again. It is heavily loaded with bricks, wood, and hay. That is a lot of stuff. It is working hard to make sure the farm buildings are strong and sturdy. The tractor chugs along, passing the market stalls. Everything is so vibrant and alive in this sunny morning light. Now the trailer is finally empty. The work is done, and the tractor heads home for a well-deserved rest. It was a busy day for our mechanical friends, but thanks to their teamwork, the farm stays happy and thriving. See you next time. Welcome to the valley, where the morning sun kisses the fields and the rhythm of the farm begins to wake.
Look at that steam train. Is it carrying giant broccoli? I bet those are the biggest vegetables in the world.
Not quite silly. Those are young trees being transported to help our forest grow tall and strong. That blue tractor is quite the workhorse, isn't it? It keeps the farm connected and running smoothly.
it is like a busy dance. The train zooms by while the tractor keeps its steady pace. It's a mechanical ballet.
Now, the red and pink tractors stand ready. They are preparing the earth for a brand new cycle of growth. They are carving deep lines into the soil. It looks like they are drawing patterns on the surface of the earth.
I can do that too. I'll just drag a stick through the dirt and call it farming. Wait, why is it so much harder?
Because farming takes patience, precision, and the right machinery to feed the world, my friend. Watch closely now as the excavator joins the team. It is time to turn this field into a thriving woodland.
That claw is so gentle. It picks up that little tree like it is holding a precious treasure.
Nature and machines working in harmony. Each tree planted today is a promise of shade and oxygen for tomorrow. What a beautiful way to build our future together. Look up! A giant red balloon is carrying a mysterious building across the landscape. I wonder what's hidden inside those colorful garage doors?
Maybe it's full of giant candy. Or perhaps a secret club for soccer balls. They are everywhere today.
Not quite silly. Those doors are opening to reveal a fleet of hard-working construction and emergency vehicles. Yippee!
Wow, look at them go! They are lining up so perfectly. It's like a parade of heavy machinery.
Watch out! That dump truck is barreling straight into the soccer balls. It's pure chaos on the road.
That skid steer is great, navigating those spikes and bouncy balls. It's a real obstacle course challenge.
The police car is keeping things orderly, carefully maneuvering through the field of play.
It's making quite a splash near the fountain, don't you think?
Indeed, it reaches the colorful houses with great purpose. The mission is nearly complete.
Oh no, the fire truck just took a tumble. That was an unexpected turn of events.
The excavator is hard at work clearing the path, moving those soccer balls aside so everyone can reach their destination. What a busy day for our mechanical friends. They've finally settled in for a well-deserved rest among the houses. See you next time. Look at that bright red excavator rolling into the park. It it looks like it is ready for a big day of work.
It's starting to dig. I bet it is looking for buried treasure or maybe a giant dinosaur bone.
Not quite, my energetic friend. That excavator is actually preparing the ground for a new foundation. It is moving the earth to make room for something sturdy. It is working so steadily. See how the arm moves with such precision to clear the area? Wow, look at all those holes! It has been very busy. Is it finished now, or is it going to dig all the way to the other side of the world? Hardly. Now that the holes are ready, a new friend has arrived. Here comes the yellow dump truck to help with the next phase.
It is zooming around the fountain like it is on a racetrack. Vroom, vroom!
Focus now, because here comes the green concrete mixer. It has a very important job to fill those holes with wet concrete. The concrete flows out so smoothly. Fills every corner of the holes to create a solid, lasting foundation for our project. They make a great team. The truck brings the materials, and the mixer does the heavy pouring. Construction is all about working together. The work is done, and the park is ready for its next transformation. It is wonderful to see how these machines build our world one step at a time. Until next time, keep building and learning. Look at that! A busy day on the farm begins. Our bear friend is ready to get to work.
Is he going to take that truck for a joyride across the whole country?
Not quite. He has a much more important mission. He is delivering way to irrigate. By driving while he sprays, he covers so much ground efficiently. Magic is happening beneath the surface. With the sun and the water, those tiny seeds are finally waking up.
I bet he's looking for treasure. Maybe he's digging for gold?
Better than gold, he's found a bountiful harvest. Look at those beautiful, round watermelons.
Wow, those look delicious. I'm starving just watching them.
The hard work pays off as the harvester gathers the fruits of their labor. It is a true testament to patience and care. From a dry patch of earth to a truck full of sweet rewards, nature and effort have worked perfectly together. Look at that little pickup truck cruising along the road. It seems like a perfectly peaceful day for a drive, doesn't it?
Oh no! Hit a pothole! Maybe it's trying to find a giant treasure chest buried under the asphalt?
Not exactly, silly. That is a yellow dump truck, and it has a very important job to do at the construction site. The dump truck meets its partner, the powerful orange excavator. They make quite the team, don't they?
I bet that excavator can dig a hole all the way to the other side of the world if it wanted to.
It is certainly efficient. Watch how it carefully scoops up the rocks and deposits them right into the back of the truck. Precision is key in construction. Every rock has its place, and soon the truck will be filled to the brim. The truck looks so heavy now. It is moving with such purpose, head up and back toward that troublesome pothole. Look, the tow truck is there too. Everyone is working together to fix the road and help the little pickup.
Down go the rocks! Filling that hole is going to make the road smooth as silk again.
Finally, the road roller arrives to finish the job. It is amazing to see how cooperation turns a bumpy disaster into a perfect road. Thanks for joining us on this little construction adventure. sand-drenched beach. It is the perfect day to build a masterpiece in the sand.
Oh, check it out! A big red excavator has arrived. Is he going to go for a swim in the ocean?
Not quite. He is actually a construction expert. He is carefully shaping the walls of that sandcastle.
Whoa! Did you see that coconut tumble down? It is rolling right past the work zone.
Oh no! The excavator slipped! The sandcastle is ruined, and our little friend looks absolutely heartbroken. Don't worry, little guy. Help is on the way. His friends have arrived to turn this frown upside down. That orange loader is so strong. He is clearing away all the loose sand and debris to make a fresh start.
I bet I can guess what he does next. Does he start a dance party in the sand?
Not today! The green cement mixer is here to pour the perfect mixture to help build a stronger, taller tower. They did it! Look at that magnificent structure. With a little teamwork and for friendship, everything is better than before. What a wonderful day at the beach! Look at them, ready to start the day. The red road roller, the blue excavator, and the green dump truck are all lined up like athletes at a starting gate.
I bet they are playing a game of tag. Or maybe they are just racing to see who gets to the dirt first.
Not quite silly. They are highly trained professionals. They move with purpose to ensure our city roads and buildings stay strong. Watch how they coordinate. It is a beautiful dance of heavy machinery, moving in perfect harmony to clear the site.
The excavator is using that massive arm to scoop up debris. It's like a giant mechanical hand reaching out.
Exactly right. Each brick is carefully lifted and placed into the dump truck. Precision is key when you are moving such heavy loads.
It's like building a puzzle, but on a massive scale. How many bricks do you think they can fit in there?
Thousands, surely. They work tirelessly, layer by layer, until the truck is filled to the brim with materials. Rhythm is everything here. Notice how the excavator doesn't stop, keeping a steady pace to stay efficient. And there, the job is done. The loader pauses, signaling that the load is complete and ready for transport. Time for the next phase. The street clears as they prepare to move to the next section of the project. The red road roller glides forward now. It's calming to watch it move with such steady, deliberate motion. It's smoothing out the path ahead. Every road needs a good roller to make sure it's safe and flat for us to drive on. Passing through the quiet neighborhood, the roller keeps working, ensuring everything is perfectly level.
Wait, who is that yellow newcomer? It looks like a cement mixer joining the crew.
You spotted it. The cement mixer is vital for the foundation. It's bringing fresh, wet concrete to the site. Watch closely. It positions itself with technical precision. This is where the magic of construction really happens.
Look at the concrete pouring out. It's like a gray flowing river that will soon turn into solid ground.
As the concrete sets, the site glows with the promise of a new foundation. Through teamwork and dedication, these machines have built something truly wonderful today. Until next time, keep exploring. Look at that, everyone! The city has woken up. Everything is so much brighter when the sun comes out to play.
Whoa, is that a giant metal dinosaur eating the street? It's huge.
Not a dinosaur, silly. That's an excavator. It's working hard alongside that dump truck to keep our city streets in tip-top shape. Watch closely as the excavator uses its powerful arm to lift the old street lamp. It's moving with such incredible precision, don't you think?
It's like a giant kick of pickup sticks, but way heavier and much more important.
Now, the road roller arrives to smooth everything out. It's a very busy day for these machines.
I bet that roller makes the street feel as smooth as a fresh stick of butter.
Exactly! The skid steer loader is clearing away the loose debris so the road stays safe for everyone. The dump truck is off to deliver its load now. It's amazing to see how these machines work together to build a better city for us all. They really are the unsung heroes of our streets. Thanks for joining us on this construction adventure today. See you next time. Look at that bright yellow forklift rolling out of the barn. It is time to start our busy day on the farm.
I bet that forklift is going to go grocery shopping for the cows. Does it have a list, do you think?
Not exactly, silly. Forklifts are experts at moving heavy things, and today it has a very important job to do. See how it carefully navigates toward the woodshed? It has its eyes set on a specific prize today. Up go the forks! It is lifting that heavy stack of logs with such precision and grace. like a giant yellow dance. Moving across the yard, the forklift carries its wooden cargo steady and true. Mission accomplished. The logs are exactly where they need to be to keep the barn warm tonight.
Wait a minute, is that a bear driving a tractor? That is definitely not something you see every day.
It certainly is. Our furry friend is helping the chickens get to their new home. Everyone is working together. The chickens are settling in. And look, they are already getting to work in their cozy baskets. Everything is ready for the blue truck now. The eggs are gathered, and the farm is humming with success. And there goes the delivery truck, off to share the farm's bounty with the world. What a wonderful, productive day we have had together. Look at those heavy machines go! It is a beautiful day for a game of soccer on the construction site.
Wow! Did you see that perfect scoop? That loader is definitely the star player today.
Now the red excavator joins in, showing off some fancy footwork with the ball.
Wait, why is he knocking down that building? I thought we were playing sports, not demolition.
Sometimes, to build something new and wonderful, we must first clear away the old. Exactly. The dump truck arrives to clear the path while steel beams rise up to form a new foundation. It is truly amazing to watch the progress. From a simple game to a brand new building, teamwork really makes the dream work. What a fantastic day of progress for everyone involved. Look at that blue excavator go. It's rolling right into the heart of this magical floating village.
It's stopping by the pond. Maybe it's looking for a place to take a nap.
Not quite silly. Look, it's preparing its net. Those fish are swimming in a perfect vertical line. Whoosh! It caught them. That is one talented machine, scooping them up with such precision. It's a busy day for construction equipment, isn't it? Even the yellow loader is hard at work today.
Bet it's trying to build a giant fish aquarium. That would be so cool!
Oh dear, it looks a bit grumpy. Did the net get stuck on something? It's moving across the bridge now, heading toward the kitchen area. Teamwork makes the dream work. The red excavator is helping out with the cooking fire.
That saw is incredibly sharp. It's slicing that fish perfectly for the main course.
What a culinary masterpiece! A delicious fish dish topped with a perfectly cooked egg. A job well done by our mechanical friends. Look at that peaceful red tow truck resting by the lighthouse. It's such a lovely, quiet morning, isn't it?
He's off on an adventure. I bet he's going to find a giant treasure chest on the other side of that bridge.
Oh dear, that wasn't treasure. The bridge is crumbling. Hold on tight, little truck.
Help me! Is anyone there?
He's calling for
me!
help. And look, here comes the crane truck to save the day. Maybe he's a superhero in disguise.
Oh no!
Precision is key here. The crane operator is carefully positioning that hook
Are you okay,
to
tow
ensure
truck?
our friend is lifted
I'm coming to
safely
save you
out
right
of
now.
harm's way. Up and away! It's a relief to see him back on solid ground. That was a very narrow escape.
I bet he's saying thanks for the lift. Buddy, that crane really came through in the clutch.
That was so dangerous.
They've decided to team
Thank
up.
you for saving me, Daisy.
It's okay. We need to rebuild the
Instead
bridge
of just moving
now.
on, they are going to rebuild the bridge
Okay.
together.
Let's get to work.
That is the power of teamwork. Watch how the crane truck lowers those heavy pillars. One by one, the foundation rises from the water, creating a path for everyone to cross once again. With the final sections in place, the bridge is restored to its former glory. It just goes to show that when we work together, we can fix even the toughest problems. What a fantastic finish to our journey today! Look at these hardworking machines, finally settling down for a quiet movie night under the stars.
Wait, did that tractor just drift into a power pole? Maybe he was just trying to practice his parallel parking.
Actually, it looks like a serious accident, not a parking mishap. The excavator and the tow truck are arriving to assess the damage.
Oh no, tow truck. The movie was getting good.
Oh, I see
The
now.
power went out.
The whole crew is coming
over there.
together to help
It's a
out. They
traffic
really are
accident.
the ultimate team, aren't
The power pole has been knocked down.
Teamwork is essential in construction. With the crane providing support and the tow truck pulling, they are clearing that pole with precision. With the road clear and safety restored, our friends head back to their movie. It's a wonderful reminder that when we help each other, we can get back to the things we love. Good night, machines. Welcome to the farm, where the morning sun warms the grass, and the cows graze in quiet harmony.
Look at that cow go. She's probably rushing to a very important cow meeting, maybe about the best patch of clover in the field.
Actually, I think she is just enjoying a stroll. But wait, is that a bear? And he is driving a tractor. That is certainly not something you see every day.
Oh no! The bear isn't looking where he is going. He bumped right into the cow and hooah! The whole tractor just flipped over.
Goodness, what a chaotic scene. Thankfully, help is on the way. Here comes the red tow truck, ready to save the day and clear the path. As the tow truck operator secures the line. It is amazing to see how quickly they can turn a mess back into an orderly workspace. Now the excavator steps in with its powerful arm. It is lifting the heavy tractor with such precision, placing it gently onto the flatbed trailer. It is truly impressive to see these machines working together to restore peace to the farm. Nature and machinery have settled their differences, and the path is clear once more. What a remarkable day on the farm, don't you think? Look at those three mighty red tractors working in perfect rhythm to prepare the earth for a new season.
They are like big red beetles. Do you think they are racing back to the barn for a nap?
Not quite. They have simply finished their hard work and are heading home to rest. Now the sky opens up. That gentle rain is exactly what the soil needs to wake up and start its magic. With the earth soft and ready, tiny seeds are tucked deep into the rows, full of hidden potential. Look! Tiny green sprouts are poking through the soil. It is like the field is waking up from a dream. And before we know it, those sprouts have transformed into plump yellow pumpkins basking in the sun.
They are changing colors, turning from yellow to a deep, festive orange.
Here comes a helper, a yellow excavator. It seems curious about our pumpkin harvest. Watch closely as it uses its blade to carve spooky faces. What a clever way to get ready for the autumn celebration. It has been a wonderful season of growth, hasn't it? Welcome to the site, everyone. Look at these giants waking up for a big day of building. It's like a mechanical dance floor out here.
Wait, are they dancing? Maybe they are just playing a giant game of bumper cars. I bet the yellow one wins.
Not quite, silly. That yellow loader is a real professional. See how it carefully gathers those bricks? It's all about precision and focus. Now watch the red excavator. It acts like a giant, powerful arm, scooping up heavy loads and depositing them right into the blue truck's bed. It's teamwork at its finest. The excavator does the heavy lifting, and the truck makes sure everything gets to where it needs to be. Off it goes! The blue truck is fully loaded and heading out to deliver its cargo. What a productive mission. As the sun sets, our mechanical friends rest after a job well done. Thanks for exploring the... Welcome to the heart of the orchard, where the morning sun kisses the leaves and nature begins another bustling day.
Look at that blue truck go! It must be carrying 1 million apples. Maybe they're for a giant pie contest.
It is certainly a busy harvest, though I suspect those apples are headed to market rather than a pie tin, dear friend. The red tractor is doing the heavy lifting, moving through the rows with such steady mechanical precision. And here comes the pink tractor, bouncing along like a cheerful beat in the rhythm of farm life.
Oh no! Look at all those grasshoppers and caterpillars munching on the leaves. They're like tiny, hungry invaders taking over.
Indeed, they have descended. In great numbers. If left unchecked, they could cause quite a bit of trouble for our precious fruit trees.
Listen to that engine roar! The yellow crop duster is taking flight, ready to protect the harvest from those pesky visitors.
It is a vital task. The pilot must be precise, maneuvering with urgency to ensure the orchard remains healthy and productive. The mist settles gently over the branches, a calculated intervention to restore balance to this beautiful green ecosystem. everything is quiet once more. The pests are gone, the trees stand tall and clean, and our farm has returned to its peaceful, golden rhythm. What a wonderful day for a harvest! Welcome to our bustling city, friends. Look at these powerful machines waking up to start their very important work today.
Is that a giant green monster eating rocks? It must be hungry for breakfast.
Not quite, silly! That is a green excavator. It is carefully lifting heavy stones to help build our city's new foundation.
Oh, I see. It drops the stones into the orange truck like a giant game of catch. I bet that truck gets very heavy, very fast.
Exactly right. The excavator works with such steady precision, ensuring every rock is placed exactly where it needs to be. The load is finally complete. With a full belly of stone, that orange truck is ready to roll out and deliver its cargo.
Look at it go! It zooms down the street like a professional delivery driver on a mission.
Our city never sleeps. Now, the cement mixer and the red road roller join the team, keeping everything moving smoothly.
Wow, look at them all go. It is like a big construction parade.
It truly is a symphony of engineering. Every machine plays its part to make our city a wonderful place to live. What a productive day in the city! Thanks for joining us on this building adventure. See you next time, everyone! Look at those two friends, the red and blue trucks, resting peacefully under the warm glow of the farm sun.
Night falls, and the farm settles into a deep, quiet slumber. Even the trucks need their sleep, right?
Oh no! The ground has turned into thick, sticky mud. Our poor trucks are completely trapped and cannot move an inch.
Wait, is that a giant monster coming? Oh, it's just a yellow excavator. Maybe it's here to dig a swimming pool?
Not quite, silly. The excavator is a heavy-duty helper. It is using its massive strength to try and lift the blue truck out of the mire. It is working so hard, straight against the heavy mud to free the red truck next. This is quite a difficult task. Help has arrived! A specialized red tow truck is here. Its job is to pull heavy things that are stuck tight. Watch closely as the tow truck uses its powerful winch to pull the blue truck safely back onto solid ground. Success! And now, the red truck gets the same expert treatment. With a steady pull, it breaks free from the clutches of the mud. They are free at last! It is wonderful to see them driving away together, back to their peaceful farm life. What a great adventure today! Look at that powerful Intercity 125 rushing across the landscape with such incredible speed and precision.
Whoa! That yellow truck is massive! I bet it's faster than the train, right?
Actually, no. That is a very dangerous place to be. Oh my, the train and the truck have collided.
That looks like a total disaster. Is the road going to be blocked forever now?
Not at all. Watch how the excavator uses its specialized arm to clear the debris and restore order to the crossing.
Incredible! It flipped the truck right back onto its wheels. Technology is amazing, isn't it?
It truly is. Now, notice how the rhythm of the crossing returns to its routine, with smaller vehicles passing safely.
Safety first! Those gates are doing a great job keeping everyone away from the tracks while the train approaches.
Precisely. Systematic traffic management ensures that heavy machinery like this loader can cross without any further trouble. As the train whistles into the distance, we are reminded that patience and caution are the keys to a smooth journey. Thank you for joining us on this look at industrial harmony.